So now as you can see now, as someone is calling me, as you can see now the video now is playing on the background. So now all you have to do, go to your Play Store and install this app. After installing this app, tap on this open button. After you open the app, tap on this get started. Enable the app as your default app. So select the app set as default. So tap on this background button. Go to video. Now it will allow you to go and select a video from your phone. So I'll just go with this video.
Stop chasing women and build yourself up first.
So after you select the video, as you can see now, all you have to do, go back now. Tap on this slide. So select the slide of your calling option. As you can see now. After you select your slide, tap on this back arrow. Tap on this next button. So now let me show you how it works. Tap on this call button. Select the SIM.